Hey, Super Cruisers, it's Kevin and Frank from Cruising with Wheels.
And welcome to your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
Today's cruising tip is, be a healthy cruiser.
That's right. Stay well hydrated. Drink lots of water on board and in port.
Don't overindulge in alcohol to the point of getting sick.
Bring over-the-counter medicines with you to alleviate minor health issues.
Advise the cruise line of any food allergies you may have.
Always put sunscreen on to protect your skin while outside.
Try not to eat late at night to avoid digestion issues.
Avoid the elevators when possible and take the stairs.
Don't overtire yourself. Plan enough rest time and relaxation.
Choose a sit-down restaurant instead of an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Stay on schedule with all your prescribed doctor's medications. This is in order.
Try to eat more fresh fruit and vegetables instead of those heavy carbs.
Try to work in time at the gym or at the ship's sports complex.
Try morning meditation or early stretching or Pilates.
Always be prepared. Bring seasickness medication with you just in case.
Alternate evening sit-down shows with active dance parties.
Sign up for a lot of onboard activities that will keep you fit and healthy.
Look for spa treatments that help improve muscle performance and not just beauty.
Look for active in-port shore excursions, such as walking, biking, kayaking, swimming. I could go on all day.
Think about doing a body cleanse before and after your cruise.
And try to see your doctor and dentist prior to that cruise vacation.
And that's your Tuesday Tip of the Day.
We want to thank you for joining us for another exciting episode. And remember not just to watch our videos, but be a regular Cruising with Wheels family member. We love you. Subscribe and hit that little bell to get regular notifications of when our videos go live and when we are live every other Sunday.
We're also on all the other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. And remember to always travel safe
And cruise often.